did lots of breathing, breathe out, our blood got lots of oxygen around us. So we'll make sure, we'll just we'll get that, consume that oxygen with us. Now that our body is warmed up from inside outside, lots of breathing we did, so our internal organs are also warmed up. We'll do some dynamic stretches. So dynamic stretches again from top to bottom. So slowly breathe in and neck up, breathe out, down, up, breathe in, down, breathe out, back to normal, left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front, tilt to left side, back to normal, tilt to right side. Okay, your arms on your right side, push from your elbow, other way around, other arm. Okay, right hand up, push from your elbow first, then try to hold backward, change and hold. Okay, we'll do sideways 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now just spread your legs. We'll touch right hand to left and left hand up and look up. Okay, and then opposite way as well 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay here. Try to touch in front first. Come middle. Come between your feet. Onto left feet. Then right. And then back. We'll do 2 times. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, and one more time. 1, 2, center, left, right, and back. Okay, keep the same distance and go back. Go on right leg, hold your left toe, stretch, come up onto left side, hold your right toe, do as much as you can. You can be at least this much, like for half the height is okay. We'll do 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back up. We'll do lunges. So for lunges, can you get into this position? 90 degree here, 90. So both feet 90 degree. So once you are in the position of 90 degree, we'll do up and down 6 times. 1, breathe in up, breathe out down. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change your leg, swap front leg to back and back leg to front. Again 90 degree in both the legs. And again, when you come up, breathe in, come down, breathe out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, stand up. We'll do some calf and hamstring as well. So left leg, get it front. Back leg you can bend. Left leg keep it straight. Try to hold your toe. Go down. You can touch the floor. You'll feel nice stretch in your calf and hamstring. You can sweep hands like this. Now get left leg bit further ahead. Hold your toe and forehead onto left knee. You can hold down on the floor. More stretch onto your hamstring and calf. Slowly come up. Change your leg. Right leg in front. Back leg bent, front leg straight. First, go down, stretch, hold your toe, forehead down if you can, touch the floor, sweep arms from the floor. Now get it bit further forward and then hold your toe, forehead onto the head, forehead onto the knee, touch the floor if you can. Slowly come up. Now just stay in Samasthiti, palms facing front. We'll do 5 breaths. You can close your eyes if you can. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. We'll do 2 more of the dynamic stretches, then we'll move on to Surya Namaskar. So for that, we'll be doing the Indian push-up. So come on your knees. We'll do 2 variations. Come on your knees, and the distance is like keep your elbow touching your knee, your hand open, then other arm, and basically if you are mat, that much is the distance between your arms. Keep your fingers open like this, your arms inside. So first one is you basically go back and then come forward, chest onto the floor, go forward up, look at my back is curved, and then lift it up all the way. We'll do 3 times, okay? So back now, down, breathe in up, breathe out, back and curve. One more time, down, breathe in up, keep the curve. Now other way around, breathe out. Again, go down on your chest, breathe in up, curve, breathe out. Now we'll do reverse. So up, go forward and back. Okay, up, go forward and back. 2 more times. Up, go forward and back. One more time. Up, go forward and back. If you are doing, just I'll wait for you to finish. So we did both ways, forward and backward. Make sure your back is curved upward or downward like this. So that basically we are loosening up our back and our spine as well. Now next one is our traditional Indian push-up. So basically go on to downward dog on your toe. Look inside from your chin. So this is downward dog. We basically go into the Santulanasana, like plank, then go down, Bhujangasana, and up. Okay, so slowly, first straight, then down, then Bhujangasana, and up. We'll do 3 times at your own pace. Plank, Ashtangasana, Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Santulanasana, Ashtangasana, Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. One more time. Santulanasana, Ashtangasana, Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Slowly come up. Now just relax for 10 seconds. If you want to clean your, just take break for 10-15 seconds before we go to Surya Namaskar. Wipe your sweat away. If you want to drink water, just drink a sip. Don't drink a lot of water. Just take a sip, And when you're done, just stand up and then normal breathe in, breathe out while we are waiting for other. Okay, so everybody back. So everybody in Arama like this. When I say Surya Namaskar Sthiti, so 3 count. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Surya Namaskar Sthiti. Join your leg, your complete feet, and Namaskar Sthiti. I'll say the slok. You say after me. Om Theya Sada Savitrumandala Madhyavarti Narayana Sarsija
सरसिजा
Dhanasannivishtaha
सरसन्निविष्टः
Keyuravan
केयुरवान्
Makarakundalavan
मकरकुण्डलवान्
Kiriti
किरीटी
Hari Hiranmaya
हारी हिरण्मया
Vapurdhuta
वपुरधृत
Shankachakraha
शङ्खचक्रः
Om Mitraya Namaha
ॐ मित्राय नमः
Om Ravaye Namaha
ॐ रवये नमः
Om Suryaya Namaha
ॐ सूर्याय नमः
Om Bhanave Namaha
ॐ भानवे नमः
Okay, ek breathe in, hands up, do breathe out, hands down. Now with left leg, 3, breathe in.
Come Nirvan, Nirvan here. Nirvan,
4,
come
take your
here.
right leg back, breathe out.
Nirvan,
5,
Nirvan.
your forehead, chest, knee on the floor. Hold your breath. 6, Bhujangasana, breathe in. 7, Adho Mukha Svanasana, breathe out. 8, take left leg forward, breathe in. Now right leg forward, breathe out. Just breathe in and then normal breathe in, breathe out. Om Khagaya Namaha.
ॐ खगाय नमः
Om Pushne Namaha.
ॐ पूष्णे नमः
नमः
Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha.
ॐ
हिरण्यगर्भाय
हिरण्यगर्भाय
नमः
नमः
Om Marichaye Namaha.
ॐ
ॐ
मरिचे
मरीचे
नमः
नमः
Guru, ek breathe in, hands up, do breathe out. Uttanasana. Now with right leg back, 3, breathe in. 4, left leg back, breathe out. 5, hold your breath. Forehead, chest and knee on the floor. 6, breathe in, Bhujangasana. 7, Adho Mukha Svanasana, breathe out. Now right leg forward, 8, and breathe in. Left leg forward, breathe out. 10, breathe in, and then normal, breathe in, breathe out. Om Adityaya Namaha.
ॐ आदित्याय नमः
Om Savitre Namaha.
ॐ सवित्रे नमः
Om Arkaya Namaha.
ॐ आर्यकाय नमः
Om Bhaskaraya Namaha.
ॐ भास्कराय नमः
Guru, ek breathe in, do breathe out. Left leg back, 3, breathe in. 4, right leg back, breathe out. 5, hold your breath. 6, breathe in. 7, breathe out. Right leg forward, breathe in. Now breathe out. Thus, breathe in and then normal, breathe in, breathe out. Last month it's big, so say it after me. Om Shri Savitru Surya Narayanaaya Namaha.
Om Sri
Guru, ek, breathe in. 2, breathe out. 10, right leg back, breathe in. 4, left leg back, breathe out. 5, hold your breath. 6, breathe in. 7, breathe out. 8, right leg forward, breathe in. Now, left leg forward, breathe out. Thus, breathe in and then normal, breathe in, breathe out. We'll be doing the ending slok. Say after me. Adityasya namaskaran
Adityasya Namaskara
ye kurvanti dine dine
Ye Kuruvanti Dine Dine
ayurpradnya balam viryam
Ayum Pragna Balam Viryam
tejas teshan cha jayate.
Tejasya Chanta Jayate
Rama, 1, 2, 3. Swastha, relax. I'll give you 15-second break before we move on to the yogasan. So again, clean up your sweat. If you want to sip of water, just sip of water. Don't drink a lot. If you're done, then just keep doing deep breathe in, breathe out while standing up. Okay, so if you are standing up, just keep breathing, breathe out. Okay, I hope you're back now. So we'll start with the standing pose. We'll do Vrukshasana, tree pose, but we will be doing 3 different variations. Okay, so on one side we will do all the 3 variations first, and then other side. So start with right leg. Make sure you get your right leg all the way into your groin, onto your thighs. If you can't, you can get it down, but don't keep on your either on calf or on your ankle. Okay, so just see as much you can do. Once you are here, balance nicely, concentrate on your nose tip. When you think you can balance, then arms spread first, then all the way up, and then pull up. This is the normal Vrukshasana. We'll stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Just stay here. Even if you're losing, just come back. And then next one is spread your arms. Spread your arms 45 degree. This is the big tree like mango tree, banyan tree. So here also we are balancing both the sides. Now third one is right hand onto your right knee, left hand up. This is a bit imbalanced, but that is the thing. You can do mudra, okay, and balance, and then slowly down. So we did 3 variations. One is the normal one, where is the we try to balance. Then this one helps good balancing because we are already balancing both the sides. Third is we do uneven. So that's a bit advanced as well. Now left leg, bring it up in your thighs, groin. Once you balance, concentrate on your nose tip, stay focused. Then arms parallel to the floor, up, touch it and then pull it up like somebody hanged you onto your wrist. Nice stretch. Look here. We'll stay here for 3 breaths. 3, do, ek. Slowly arms down, and then 45-degree banyan tree or mango tree, the one which gives lots of shades. But here you are easy to balance. Now next one, left hand in mudra, right hand also in mudra. This is imbalance, but since we did the first two, is easy, and then that's how we balance as well. Slowly, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hands down, switch down. Just shake your legs. Next one, we'll do Dvikonasana, right angle pose basically. So we'll do Samakonasana. Okay, so hands up, all the way up, join together, then bend in your waist. It's a 90-degree angle between your feet and your back. Stretch forward. This is Samakonasana, right angle pose. Stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up, hands down. Next one is a double 2 angle pose, the Dvikonasana. Take your hands down, back, lock your fingers, then slowly do the right angle cone first, from your feet to your body, and then hands also up, arms. We are trying to do 2 different cones, angles, Dvikonasana or double angle pose. Your head is up, don't keep it down, otherwise you won't feel any stretch. Head up, chin up. Okay, I'll count 3. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up, down. Yeah, that's it. Now next ones are, this one we did in Samasthiti, standing up. Now next one is sitting down, Samatala Sthiti. So sit down like this, spread your legs in front, toes up, this is relax pose, Swastha. And when we start, we do the Saudhan, where our arms are by the side of our waist and chest. Standing straight, back straight. The first one is simple Paschimottanasana, forward bend. So basically keep your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, go down. If you can hold your toes, that's good. Go forward. You can then try to hold your shin as well, or your ankles, heels. And practices, if you can't, bend your knees, hold your toes, take one leg down, other leg down, and then go down. So depending upon your level, you do. But at the end, your knees should be straight. Keep it straight. Don't bend up. Do as advanced as you can. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. Breathe in and up. Now next one is Janu Shirshasana. So get right leg tucked into your groin, onto your thigh side. This is 90-degree, left the straight leg and then side leg. You can keep it down if you want to. Push on the floor. Now left leg, hold your left toe with your left hand. If you can, go further. Okay, and then breathe in and breathe out and try to touch your forehead onto your knee. Okay, breathe out and go down. You can hold both as well if you want to get more stretch. Your calf muscles and hamstring are stretching nicely. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Breathe in up. Now right leg forward, left leg back. Again same. 90-degree between the straight feet and then sideways. You can use your left hand to keep your thighs down. Hold your right toe with your fingers, go all the way down if you can. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, and forehead onto your knee. You can use a both hand as well. You do more stretch. I'll count 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so we did yoga in standing position, in seated position. Next two yogas we'll do on your back. Urdhva Mukha Siddhi. Urdhva Mukha means your face up. So that's why it's called Urdhva Mukha. So we'll do Setu Bandhasan, the bridge pose. Keep your knees up, palms facing down, your toes, feet together, your thighs and everything together, knees together. Now just lift up your waist up. This is the first normal level. If you can do this, you can support your palms and then lift up your waist a bit up if you can, otherwise be normal. We'll stay here for 5 count. Keep your knees together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hands down, go down. Stay here for 10 seconds. Relax. Again, come up the bridge pose. Now you can hold your toes, your ankles, and do more stretch. It's just bit variation. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down. Next one we will do Sarvangasana, the shoulder stand. Okay, so basically keep your feet up all the way 90 degree. Then slowly come up. Then hold your back and onto your shoulder. You can take support of your arms, your elbows on the floor. Keep your upper body, like the feet and everything, perpendicular to the floor. Stay here if you can, as long as you can. I'll count 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sarvangasana is very good. It basically gets the blood supply to your heart as well. Now slowly, with the support of your hand and back, come down. No need to jump down. When you're down, legs up and down. Stay here, relax for 10 seconds. Now next position we will do in Adho Mukha Sthiti. Adho Mukha means on your belly. So face down. Adho Mukha Sthiti. So basically, yeah, you can be like this. This is the Sthiti. We'll start with Dhanurasana. So hold your ankles, forehead first down, then up and feet up, left lift up, Dhanurasana. Once you are in position, I'll start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, feet down, hands in. Now we'll do Superman 1. So your hands up, feet up, and look up. So you are on your tummy, on your pelvis, down. One more time. This time we'll do hands back. Okay, lift up your head, Your feet. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, slowly down. Now we'll just do some relaxing. Come up into your Vajrasan. Vajrasan. Make sure your toes are together. Knees spread. We'll do the child pose. Balasana. But here now we are not going to do any stretch. We'll just relax. Okay. So no need to stretch further. So breathe in. Breathe out and go down. Keep your elbows close to your knee. Forehead on the floor. And relax. Here we are not doing any stretch. Just restorative pose. Getting back all the energy. Some of these poses are very good. You can hold longer and still it gives lots of benefit, even though you're not stretching anywhere, but still your body gets lots of benefit. These styles of poses are called yin yoga, yin, yin. So it's restorative poses where we stay in the pose for 45 seconds to 2 minutes as well. We won't be staying that longer, but when you are tired of everything, you can do this to get back all your energy. Slowly come up. We'll do one more simple restorative pose in bound angle. Keep your feet together and then go down if you can. At home when you're practicing, you can use pillow or anything and put your head on your pillow and relax. Stay here for like 30 seconds or so. Normal breathe in, breathe out. If you feel stretch, you can get your feet further ahead and just go down, because here we are not stretching, we are just trying to restore back all the energy. Stay here for 10-15 breaths. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Come up all the way. Now the last of the pose is called banana pose. So it's again we sleep basically on the floor. So I'll show you. You be on one side of the mat, sleeping, hands up all the way. Now get your hands onto other side of the mat, feet onto other side of the mat. It's a nice arc on your left side or right side, whichever side you are doing. Keep your body on the floor. Stretch upwards, hand join, feet, toes together. Your body is on one side of the mat roughly, and then your feet and hand on the other side. This is just for how much distance you can have. Stay here for like 10-15 breaths. After halfway through, you can use your right hand and massage your ribs on the left side, because you are stretching that part a bit. So you can just give massage onto your ribs, all the ribs. Keep breathing in, breathing out. This is also very good, it stretches the entire body, but at the same time restores back all the energy. You can keep your entire backbone onto the floor as well. Keep breathing in, breathing out. The last three poses that we did so far are part of the yin yoga, yin, yin. There are lots of different restorative poses in this type of yogasan. I'll be changing the direction. You can basically shift yourself to right side and do other side, but I'll do other side because I want you to see. So again, on one side first, hands up, and then get your feet and hands nice curve, nice arc from all the way to your fingers to your toes. Stay here for 10-15 breaths. Try to keep your entire back onto the floor. And when you are in halfway through, use your left hand and massage your ribs nicely. Back to normal. And then slowly come up with the support of your hand. No need to jerk, like push or anything. And now we'll do some pranayam, breathing, breathe out to finish off. So yeah, you can be in Sukhasana like this, or Siddhasan where you keep one leg locked, and when it's tired or like hurting, you change and you keep other leg up and this down, or Padmasan, both legs lock like this. You can decide whichever pose. We'll do the mudra. Mudra is basically your index finger onto your thumb, wrist onto the floor, close your eyes. We'll do 2 or 3 pranayam. We'll start with Omkar. So we'll say U and Ma and prolong M, the Ma, as long as you can, as till you actually tumble, so that you are increasing our stamina of the lung. But if you have any health problem, then don't need to do that much. Okay, breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Again, deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Next one we'll do Anulom Vilom. So basically with right hand thumb, close your right nostril, breathe out from your left. Close your left nostril, breathe out from right. Breathe in from right, close right and breathe out from left. This is one cycle. We'll do 2 more times. When you're done, just keep your hands on your knees and normal breathe in, breathe out. We'll just wait for some time for others to finish. The last one we will do the Brahmari, the humming sound, the buzzing sound of the bee. So you can close your ear, your eyes and your mouth. Breathe in from your nose and while breathe out some breathe in again. Last time, breathe in. Take your hands down, keep your eyes closed. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Raise your hand, brush your palms onto each other. make them warm, nicely warm. When they're warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Hold for 2 seconds while the body temperature of the palm and face becomes same. Then massage your eyes first, slowly. Then your forehead. Massage your forehead. Then side of the forehead. Then back of the neck. Open your eyes and say namaste. Thanks a lot for joining in the yoga session. Hope you had a good session. We'll now move on to the next session. Dhanyavad.